I'm in the shed tonight, and we're finally doing the giveaway. I know it's been so freaking long, and I'm sorry, but, you know, life is life, and things get busy, and I know you guys are like, gimme, 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 but I gotta do things at my own pace and at my own way. So just freaking chill the heck out. You're gonna get your free stuff. I've got Pal in here. He's gonna pick the winners from the random comment generator website. How many unique comments do we have on this video?
1,484.
1,484 unique commenters on the video, and I cannot believe you guys are coming out of the woodwork. You're like, oh, free stuff? I'll take it. I'll take it. That's all the times you guys ever want to comment is when you get something for free. And I get it. You know what? I would be doing the same. Well, I'm going to give away Ryan Knorr's crap first, okay? Ryan Knorr, you better freaking suck it. You suck because you're like, I'm cutting my hair. So I killed Ryan Knorr with the mullet. He was a sissy and cut his off. So while his mullet did look really good, he's just not in it, okay? His heart's not in it. That's just not his style.
No. No one said we were keeping these until July. No one said that. The deal was we were going to do the first mow for the mullet contest. We did the first mow. Now it's July. He's still got this hair going. Okay, that's fine. I don't care.
We weren't supposed to have the mullet all summer long. Of course we were. You don't cut your mullet. You put the mullet on and you leave it on. But here's the deal. We're going to give away, the first thing we're going to give away is a box of Simple Lawn Solutions in the gallons, okay? Okay, it's picking a winner. Who is it?
Mike E.
Mike E. And I will put that up on the thing. And I can give away whatever the crap I want from Ryan Knorr. If I want to give away like 5 boxes of gallons, I'm going to give away 5 boxes of gallons. That's up to me, not him. He's going to have to pay for it. I don't freaking care what he says. He's just going to have to pay for it because he's a sore loser. I kicked his freaking butt on that mullet growing contest. Second thing is Simple Lawn Solutions, the Lawn Essentials box. Oh, Jeremy of the Greener Lawn. What did he have to say?
That is hilarious. Ryan claimed Connor used big words and then 3 laughing emojis.
The third thing that Ryan's giving away, that I'm giving away, and I'll do whatever the heck I want, is a box of Lawn Supply Company Equalizer and 1 bottle of Greener Bundle.
Hello, it's me. Hello, comma, it's me.
Hello, comma, it's me. On to number 4, Cujo. We love you, Cujo, okay? Cujo makes some good shoes. I have 2 pair of their shoes. I already wore one of them out, folks. And I've got another pair that I wear here and there when I'm cutting wood, mowing the lawn, doing whatever the heck I want to do. They're good for outdoor work. Cujo is giving away 2 pair of shoes. 1 pair of shoes for me, 1 pair of shoes for Ryan. And we want to thank them for doing that. So they are sponsoring this giveaway.
Scotty T.
Scotty T. You win. Here we are, folks, the little lawn leveler that, you know, was such a controversy that everybody wants. Everybody wants this lawn leveler. They're like, oh, this, that. And I'm like, dude, the hose reel is the best option. And everybody wants to win this stinking lawn leveler. The winner is...
Andrew Cudon?
Oh, Andrew Cudon.
Are you giving away that one, or...
No, it's like a little lawn level on a stick.
Oh.
It's kind of like that, but small, only like this big, and it has a stick.
Oh.
Okay, last thing, turf merchant hats, 2 of them. Let's give those away right now. Okay, so there's going to be 2 winners on the turf merchant hats from Brother Knorr.
First one is Jordan Anderson.
Jordan Anderson, folks. Don't kid yourself, Jordan. You win. And this turf merchant stuff, you go to ryanknorrlawncare.com, whatever, you'll be able to go find all this stuff. Buy. Links down below, folks.
The winner is JVH8203.
Oh man, JVH8203, you win. And you guys think we're doing this for free? Yeah, we're doing this for free. Because what? You gotta buy our freaking crap because we don't work for free over here. You gotta buy our crap with the links below, you know, affiliate links, go to my website.com, all that stuff. See down below.
Wait, are we doing your...
Yeah, we got more.
Oh.
We got way more. You thought that was it?
Oh, I thought we were just giving away Ryan.
Look at this kid. Look at his shirt. Look at this kid's shirt. See, he's a true YouTube watcher. Unspeakable.com. Gorilla Cart. I want to thank Gorilla Cart. for sponsoring this video. Gorilla Cart, we love you. I love you. I've got their hose reel, which I've yet to use because it's still in the box. I've got their Gorilla Cart, the 7-quart or the 7 cubic foot dump cart, which I love, by the way. I've got their garden cart, the Evolution cart. It's kind of like a wheelbarrow. Love it. You've seen me do videos of that. What else do we got of theirs? The flat metal cart. Remember hooking that thing up, driving all around? Let's give away a Gorilla Cart. I don't know what we're giving away, but whatever they've got, that's one we're giving away. And they are paying for it. They're shipping it. We love Gorilla Cart. We thank you. Okay, who is it?
LESV dot.
Les V. LES capital V. You win Gorilla Cart. The next thing I'm giving away is Spiker hand spreader, sponsored by Spiker. Okay, so a little hand spreader, you go like this. Spiker's the real deal. They probably have the best little walk behind spreader. They're good spreaders. You buy that spreader, no joke. Not sugarcoating crap, folks. I don't lie on my freaking videos. You buy the sucker and you pay for it once and you've got the spreader for the rest of your life. It's legit. I'm telling you, I've got one. I love it.
The top dresser?
Oh no, the walk behind spreader. The black one that's hanging up by the bikes.
Fertilizer spreader?
Yeah, fertilizer spreader. Oh. That's legit. But they're giving away one of these dinky small ones. But I'm telling you, go to their website, support them, and buy the big one. And you know what? I've got to get those on my website somehow. I've got to finagle them to be putting some of that money in my pocket. Okay, so Spiker, who wins?
The Anders 03.
The Andres.
Oh, the Andres.
The Andreas 03. He says he's a longtime follower, so I appreciate you, Andreas, or whatever. You win the Spiker. Okay, next item. This is the best item on the whole list, folks. And you all wanted the little lawn leveler. I'm telling you, it is the hose reel by Ely. I'm paying for this thing out of my own pocket because it's freaking dope. I've got the link in the description where you can go and buy crap and all the proceeds go to me. Got it? This is going to be for an Ely hose reel, paid for by me, unless I can get them to sponsor it, but I'm paying for it out of my pocket. This thing's full-blown legit. You're going to love it. Who wins? Thomas Kirkpatrick. Oh, he said he wants the old lawn level. Says he wants the old lawn level, but guess what, Thomas Kirkpatrick? You get the old Ely hose reel. And the next giveaway item is this. Okay, see how legit this thing is? This is a 2-gallon Sure-Can gas can, okay? I've got these on my website, selling them for probably more than you can buy them somewhere else. But buy them from me, for Pete's sake. This is the best gas can that I've seen on the market. I'm telling you, I've tried them all. I've tried the No Spill, the Sure-Can. It's the Eagle gas can I have not tried, but the Sure-Can are probably my favorite. This is the 2-gallon gas can. I've got it on my website. Go there and buy it. .com. Okay, so the winner of the 2-gallon gas can is
Will M.
Will M. Okay, he wins. The next item up for bid is the 5-gallon gas can right here, right now. I'm telling you, these are the best gas cans on the market. Don't kid yourself. Go buy one from me. Don't buy one from Amazon and give Jeff Bezos all that money. He doesn't deserve any more money. Have you seen that guy? He looks like he needs to take a shower. That guy, yeah, no more money for Jeff. Buy from Connor. 5-gallon gas can winner is Jeffrey Chew. Jeffrey Chew! I love Jeffrey Chew. I want to win because I want to be like you and Ryan Knorr. I also want to make my dad proud. Oh yeah, well you win. All right, so Live Earth soil conditioner. It's a humic acid granular, 50-pound bag. And 2 quarts of the Live Earth 2200 liquid fert. It's 2 quarts. That's going to be 2 different winners. And they reached out to me and they're like, oh yeah, I'll give those away. So liveearth.com, go visit their products and go see this and that and the other. I've got that on my website as well if you want to buy. Buy.com. Live Earth winner for the 50-pound bag is Emmanuel Giano. Emmanuel Giano. Okay, next winner is going to be 2 quarts of the Live Earth 2200 Blitz. It's liquid nitrogen for your lawn. It's good stuff. I like it. I use it on my own lawn, and I don't freaking say crap.
Brent Kobe.
Brent Kobe, you win. Okay, oh, Pro Plugger. Oh, telling you guys, this Pro Plugger is good stuff. I've got them on my website. I've sold like, I want to say I've sold thousands of these, but I haven't. You know, I want to say I've sold tens of thousands of them, but I just really haven't. I've sold like, I don't know, 50 or 100 maybe. But they're good. I like them. I use them. They're good for transplanting grass plugs, okay? If you got St. Augustine or something and you want your grass to spread out, the Pro Plugger is amazing. They're good for flowers, to plant flowers and annuals. If you got Kentucky bluegrass and you want to transplant plugs from here to there, I'm telling you, they're freaking awesome.
Like
they're like
pogo stick with the hole.
Yeah. Oh. Yep. Pogo stick with a hole. The boys got it. Okay, who wins? The Pro Plugger. I'm giving that away, but I'm gonna secretly try to get them to give it away. Okay.
John Blevins.
John Blevins. The best gift would be you losing that mullet. No, John! Go away! That deserves no respect from you. But you still win the Pro Plugger. Okay, Lawn Rebel t-shirt. I'm giving that away because I make those and I like them. Check out this pisser-offer shirt. Everything in life is at times a pisser-offer. Not everything, but you know what I mean. So, Lawn Rebel t-shirt, who wins? Kyle Koo. Kyle Koo. I need to win the lawn level because my lawn needs to beat both of you guys. Kyle Koo, that's the biggest bunch of crap. You're not going to win me or Ryan. And the lawn level isn't going to do jack for you if you're trying to compete against me. And like I said, the hose reel is the best prize. But that's gone. The lawn leveler's gone, so he wins a t-shirt. You pick what you want. Lawn Rebel hat.
Outdoor player.
Outdoor player?
I want to win the grill cart because my lawn sucks.
Oh, your lawn sucks, huh? You think a grill cart's gonna fix it? No, fat chance. The only thing that fixes a nasty lawn is time, folks. You gotta put the time into your lawn, and that will fix a nasty lawn. But you win a hat from me. Stickers, come on, stickers.
I don't know how to pronounce that. It's like letters and numbers.
Fanera 17. I want to win, hopefully a hose reel, so my wife could stop complaining about the garden hose reel laying in her flower bed. Isn't that the truth? Oh man, you win some stickers, Fanera 17. Oh, the California hat, okay, and t-shirt. Sponsored by Triangle Reel Mowers, okay? This guy, his name's Scott. He's Triangle Reel Mowers. He's out in Carolina somewhere, and he sells the California trimmers. Those are good mowers. California Reel Mower, he is a dealer. And he sent me that California Reel Mower hat. And he's got a t-shirt that says Get Real on it or something like that. So he's sponsoring that. He's going to give that away to...
Pat Bow.
Pat Bow? Ah, Pat Bow. You don't win the Ely hose reel, pal. He wins the hat from... Mr. California Trimmer Scott. I like that guy. He's a quality individual, and I would say his business is California Trimmers. He's sponsoring that. It's a good stuff. Wait a minute. We didn't give away the shoes. We didn't give away the shoes.
Well, I have a winner right.
Yeah, he's got another winner for the shoes, and the winner is
A9 Modi.
A9 Modi. See that? A9 Modi. He wins a pair of shoes. So he wins the shoes. I think that's it. I want to thank you guys all for participating. I want to thank the sponsors, Spiker, Pro Plugger, Gorilla Cart, the Surecans, Lawn Supply Company, Ryan Knorr. I want to thank him. And please reach out to their website, ryanknorrlawncare.com, ryanknorrlawncare@gmail.com. And reach out to my website, lawnrebel.com, and buy my freaking crap.
Yeah, obviously.
Yeah, obviously we need more money, okay?
Everybody does.
Yeah, everybody says, well, I need money, I need money. The best thing in life is money, right? Not wrong, wrong, wrong. What is the best thing in life?
Your family.
Your family! Your family trumps everything. It's the relationships you have with your family and friends. Though that is the best thing in life, right?
Yeah.
Better than money. Money
Money is awesome.
helps.
It is awesome.
Money makes life a lot easier. If you won, drop me a line, okay? Drop me a line on my website. Email me, Connor@lawnrebel.com, ryanknorrlawncare@gmail.com. Reach out to us. Say, hey, you guys are the coolest people ever. Say you suck. Thumbs me down. Thumbs me up. Give me a like. Give me a subscribe. You know the drill. Hey, smash the likes. Smash the likes, you know? Do you know about smashing the like, pal?
All the other YouTubers say it.
Yeah, all the other YouTubers say it. Why can't I? Smash the like. Subscribe to the channel. 2 streams every day, 9, 11, and Pacific time at 9 p.m. Oh, gee. You know, we watch these episodes, and they're just fantastic. Ah! You don't try to sneak off. He's trying to get away. Okay, so that's it. I appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching. If you won, email me. Appreciate you. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.